New listing in Waterfall Country Village. This is the street that the house is on, reminiscent of Wisteria Lane. This 5-bedroom home has 4 bathrooms, a main bedroom featuring an ensuite and dressing room. This residence is ready to be transformed into your dream haven. The house boasts a dedicated study and inviting enclosed patio, lounges, that's right, lounges, the dining area, all of which lead outside through the cascading doors. Wraparound garden with a JoJo tank. That's just the view of the actual structure. Back into the house, we have an open plan kitchen complete with scullery, eye-level oven and prep bowl. This provides the best place for your culinary activity. Because of the pure size of this home, part 2 will be upstairs.